What if we started by listening? Human Restoration Project's empathy interview process involves students hosting peer conversations to uncover key themes that reveal the assets and challenges within schools and districts. Our work allows schools to hear from hundreds to thousands of students to listen, learn, and take action. Or in other words, we can literally hear from every single student on what they enjoy and what challenges they face at school. We do this through a three-step process. First, we train student facilitators to conduct empathy interviews, or focus groups, with their peers, gathering insights on what students love about school and what they wish to improve, all tailored to address the specific questions or interests of schools and districts. Second, we utilize cutting-edge conversation sense-making technology, qualitative data mapping software, and AI tools to code, theme, and analyze hundreds of student conversations, presenting key themes, student quotes, and areas of success and growth in a comprehensive school portal. And third, we provide tailored recommendations, including research-backed strategies, actionable steps with varying levels of effort, and connections to additional partners to address key concerns. HRP supports districts with case studies, grant applications, and ongoing professional development to ensure successful implementation. This work is meant to elevate the incredible work that schools are doing while providing a never-before-possible opportunity to listen and learn from all young people in the learning community. Our goal is to make this process work with your space, and therefore we're highly flexible with time requirements, scheduling dates, district constraints, budgeting, and more. HRP has conducted hundreds of focus groups representing thousands of students in over 40 districts nationwide. We are proud to support strong school partnerships, equity-driven practices, and to support a strong data privacy policy to protect all learners. Our empathy interview process and ongoing workshops have retained a 94% great or excellent rating with educators, and we're honored that we are consistently invited back to districts to support their professional development. Learn more about this opportunity and get involved on our website, humanrestorationproject.org, and we look forward to hearing from you.